back. So what we're going to be doing is checking these two hives. The last time I was out here, this one was really pretty small. I don't know if they've made it. They have not, so they are a dead colony. And this happens to us as well. And it looks like they were little. And now they starved out. We didn't get enough food on them. And that was it. Maybe just 2.5 frames of bees. I mean, just too little of a colony to survive. They were too small to winter and to build and to make it through the cold. And I figured this was it. And I wanted to show you because people think that the Apame is like a miracle hive, and it's not. The colony was too small for this large. They had problems in the wintertime, you know, but before the, you know, this was a simple starvation is what it was. They're too small to get clustered, to break the cluster so that they could move to get to the food stores. They ate everything that was around them, and they couldn't move to get to these other food frames right here, and they simply starved out. Even though we had some sugar on them, they ate through it. We didn't get another one on in time. You know, it happens. Don't get down about it. There's good 20 frames of comb in there. What we will do is when this colony gets ready to split, we're going to split it in there, and we're going to show you how we do that to keep in the same hive. But let's go through them. These are doing a lot better. See where they're at, and we'll show you how we split and keep into the same yard. So with this account, we're not just showing everything real good and fun and all that. We show it all, everything that happens in a hive and stuff. So they are bringing in nectar. This is solid nectar right here. Very good. This property that is out here, they plant a lot of clover, so that's very good. It's a good, produces a good honey. We are thankful for our property owners that do that and don't just plant grass. So they're going to be building this up. She has a little bit of brood right here. Pretty gentle hive right now. They're doing nice, like this one. Yes, excellent right here. Emerging brood right here, and a good brood pattern. So if that colony was alive, what we would do is we'd give them a frame like this. This is emerging brood right now, and even though they were on the small side, we give it to them. We make sure the queen is not on there. We give it to them with the bees and everything. And that would have boosted that colony up, but we didn't make it in time to get it. We had a late or a hard cold front that hit, and I'm sure that's what did them in. There's this pretty queen right here. She's a dark one. Some of my favorite queens are the dark ones. I love them. We're going to leave her up here in this top box. They are not big enough to go down, so this was just one that we never got situated to get into a single box for some reason. I don't know why these two overwintered in the doubles, but they did. Sometimes we overlook things, but we at least got their queen excluders off, so not for sure. But a very good, healthy hive. They got nectar, they got pollen coming in, eggs down here, larvae, there's the capped honey. So this queen is doing good. This hot colony is going to be expanding rapidly. That's all that we need to see in there. There's bees down there, but they're probably not too much. They're staying up here where it's warm. And that's how they are. What we will do is we'll bring up the feeders and we will feed this colony a little bit to supplement them going forward, just to help them out and get a little bit bigger, help them grow faster. And like I said, when this one is ready to split, we're going to split it right into this one. It won't take very long. As soon as we get the food in here and stuff, it won't take very long to get them, and then we will show how we're going to split in the exact same yard and get these colonies going. But for now, we're going to keep this out here. I'm not worried about the wax moths. We still got up and down temperatures that are getting cold, and we will watch it though, and shouldn't be but a couple of weeks to get this one going. Alright, well, we appreciate you guys for watching. Thank you, and you know, we will be doing more videos. Let us know what you guys want to see. If you want to see anything special, or leave it down in the comments, let us know. Alright, we appreciate you guys. You guys have a good one. Hope your bees are doing good. See ya.